Alright guys, welcome back to another video. So in today's video we are in a different spot. We are in a park. It's pretty big. I was gonna go over there to do some tricks, some big air, but there's people. So I just brought out the Rams. If you guys don't know, running perfect pass servo, G2 MAXX 8 combo, and I changed my connectors to EC5 I believe. And this time running 4S only. So I am gonna try this out. My gearing is 1546 I believe. Whatever. 9. Oh. Oh. But totally enough good though. Oh, body popped up. For sure lighter than the 6S battery. That's the thing that I felt right away. Oh, side landing. Taking it good though. Wish I had my 6S. For sure more space and more run up compared to Estancia. More flat surfaces. I do need to get another ramp though, because that thing is all messed up. I am gonna make it wider and hopefully steeper, but working out for now. Oh, you guys better subscribe. We're gonna go full throttle across the field. Here we go, here we go. Woo! Thought it was gonna pop out. If you guys know what that sound is, it's not sounding smooth at all. But I've almost had it for a year. Basically stock bearings or original bearings out of the box, so I do need to take it apart, clean up the bearings. Yeah. It's been almost a year with this in water and all that. Ooh. Woo. That was like a last minute correction. So holding up though, whole field. Woo! That thing was sick. Full speed. All right, now. Hell yeah, bro. This thing is such a beast, bro. Just the body's not a beast anymore, though. Look at that. So far, like the connections holding up great. Motor temp, how good. Motor temp cold, especially now since winter's coming. Super cold. 1, 2, 3, boom. Good. ESC, cold as well. really love these new G2 hobby ones. This big game changer with these systems. Got the MCC brace tucked in there. Alright, carry on. Body keep flying out. Oh, dude, if those were sixes, this will go way farther. Oh, if you guys want to see the MAXX here doing some crazy tricks as well, comment down below. If you guys liked it, make sure to give it a like, subscribe, and I'll catch you guys on the next video. Peace.